So it's 3 weeks away from the semester ending. I'm definitely really excited. We've seen the progress within our team and just the class. Definitely that was really nice on Thursday classes, seeing how we started from before midpoint to where we are as a class in just the smaller groups is definitely good. So this week as a group, today we met and we just went over the recommendations that we got from Thursday's class, and that was really helpful because it helped us see where people were having a bit of issues, um, or weren't understanding where we were coming from. So many of the points and feedback that we got back from our peers were little details that we have already consider that we just have to be explicit when it comes to presenting and also adding it to the appendix that Professor Darwin talked about. So, for example, the question that they asked us, okay, so what about when they go and take their test or they submit their presentation? How are you going to know that that's exactly them? So we already thought about that, the corruption side of it, and how we're actually having people submit a 3-minute pitch video where they have to physically be pitching their final idea for the projects that they'll be working on. So it was just really helpful getting their feedback because it helped us see, okay, this is where it's unclear to our audience and how we can fix it. So working on and looking at the recommendations, we also took the time this week to work on our presentation and scripts and being able to write a one page. We each wrote a one page and then we combined them and worked together and saying, okay, I like this sentence from yours, or I like this phrase that you have over here, combining them. So right now we're working on creating a final script for our dress rehearsal. Also changing our presentation, condensing the information, moving a few of the slides that we have. For example, the mind sumo case that we looked at, we're going to change that to our appendices and we're going to put a more holistic and overall case studies graphic that shows the 3 different and companies that we looked at. So the Indian School of Business, iStar, and Mind Sumo, and then making a Venn diagram that shows how we're bringing the positives of each one, and that's how we're creating certified, and that's what basically makes us different. We're also working on the details of the certification and working on the web development of our platform. So that's what we're doing that's what we did this week, and we're looking forward to our dress rehearsal on Thursday.